Hi, also welcome to the today's tutorial. In previous tutorial, we saw how we can, get the values from the song. So today we will make some customization to the cube. So right now we had that cube, but we need to have two cubes. One is the red color and the blue color. So what we will do, I will duplicate this and will name it as m underscore box because I need the customization for the box. And the next thing which we need is okay, first I will assign, I think this is the same cube. Yes, we'll duplicate this too. hmm sm underscore box. This is for the floor, so I will just name it as m underscore flow. But it's kind of same, so it's not necessary, but the for box part is quite important. And here I will open this and will choose the box. So this is the box and this is the setting which we do have. So right now this is pretty much default. So what I want first, if you look carefully, this color is the main color, right? Which is giving us the value. Okay, perfect. So we need to change that. And when we are, making it glow, I do want to use that color in the emission. So right now we are not considering that. So what I will do, I will first, uh, because they are using the lerp, so I will just copy paste the lerp from here to here. And this value we are using in the alpha, and I will use it in the emission. Uh, okay. Give me a second. Okay. And this emission power one. So the value which we were using before, I will put it in A. So the B part is the black one. I do want to have there too, but I want to use the same color. Like here it is white. I want to use the dull color of the white here, or maybe some really nice value. So what I will do, I will again multiply, and will it give it to B. And, I think it's the corner emission. So we'll press 1, right click, convert to parameter, uh, plane side emission. We'll give it to 1. Okay. hmm Think this makes sense. Let's check if the modified value are working fine or not. So what I will do, I will create the variant material instance m I underscore box. Uh, okay, and let's check if it is working fine or not. So what I will do, I will go to the flow color. We'll choose chili red. Uh, Trim color. Nope. Let's do one thing. Just modify the emission value. Here put 100. I don't think it is making much change. Glow color. Okay, this is the side strip. Just click OK. But in the glow color, actually, modify to 10. Okay, this is the glow color. 100 and this 2.2 is to make it red. And let's see if we are getting the same effect or not. Yes. So when we will see, okay, the groove, actually we can modify that to groove color. Again, we will select red. Okay, the groove, I don't think the groove color is using the emission, because okay, so let's modify it uh more. This is the emission power. I will make it 100 just to have, you know, and I don't want to use the groove color because the groove color should be the same as the flow color. So we'll connect it to this. We'll remove the groove from the picture. Press save. Okay, next is the glow color, flow color. That's good. Uh, groove trim color. Is it affecting? No. So I will remove the trim color too. Let me check. I don't think it is making any changes. So I can remove the groove. Okay. But I do want to change the uh, this setting. The glow color is also affecting the black strip. Trim color. 2000. Okay. But I think it seems good, but I was expecting it to more glowy. Okay, so these two color we can make it like we can make it same. So flow color and glow color, let's make it same and let's see if we are getting the same result or not, because default it will be red or blue, right? So okay. Okay, I think this look decent. Okay, so if we have to change the color, let's imagine if we have to make the blue. So we will make it simple blue and it will affect the whole system. This is looking good. Okay, so we have two options. One option is to, to have the two variants. So Control D, MI box red, save, and MI box blue. And for the blue, we will just change the flow color. This is good. Nice. And if you do want to more fancy, you can just tweak the value from 0.2 to maybe 0.5 just to, have this change. Okay. Now to have the that material, we can select mi cube, no, mi underscore box red or blue. Okay, this is looking good. Now, our next task is now we have to spawn these boxes when we are, playing that beat. Din, din, din. So for that, we need to do some tricks, right? So here, go to the content, go to the C++ classes, beat actors, right click. Here we have the box spawn manager already. So we just have to create one actor. We will name it as M box. Mm, moving box or box space. Okay. Sorry, I think we were prefixing with the S, if I'm not wrong. Let's put it M box base. Just create class. Rider pawn. Okay. Here we have done a mistake. We have to as we were following the convention. Like we were prefixing everything with the M, but here box spawn manager we haven't done it. So just make sure you are prefixing with M. Nice. In CPP we have to remove this folder name and we are good to go. Nice. For here, what we have to do first, we will have the reference of that static mesh which we were using here, which is sm underscore box. I will just right click, copy a reference. Okay, remove this. Auto. I don't think we are using tick. We will use, I don't think so. The public here, we will use the box. Do we need to have anything else? Okay, but for the root, we will have something. So you property, add it anywhere, blueprint read write, just in case if we need that. Okay, so you stat scene component. So this will be our default root. Next is the static mesh component. So use static mesh component, smc underscore box. Okay, next thing we have to assign the value to the box, and it will be this use static mesh type. So here we will have it in public only. So you property, add it anywhere. You static mesh with the pointer sm underscore box. Now we have to assign the value of sm box. So in the constructor, I will save the value. So if you do want to load something from the content browser directly inside C++, so you can use this function, static load object. And here you have to give the class name. So it's a use static mesh, static class, comma null. And here we have to provide the path as we have already copy pasted it directly. Okay, no. So go to the Unreal, right click and copy reference. Now copy reference here, paste it. Okay, now it's the general object. We have to cast it. So cast, and we have to cast it to use static mesh. Okay. Now we will create the hierarchy of the component because we haven't done it yet. So first is the default root. So default root is equals to create default subobject, you scene component. No. Okay. This is for the SMC. So SMC box, you static mesh component SMC box. So we'll attach it to the default root, set up attachment, root component, and we will attach that SMC box to a default root. Once it is done, then we will assign, if we will check if SM box, if it is, sorry, if SM box, if it is true, then we will assign it to SMC box. Set mesh SM box. We had removed it, so we'll remove it from here too. I think this is done. Okay. Now we will compile and check if everything working fine or not. Okay, it's done. Go to the content, go static beat saber actor. We will create the blueprint variant of our box. So box mbox space pp underscore m box. So as you can see, it is coming properly. Okay, the one thing is it's looking big, but let's see how it will be, how it will look inside our VR. And if you do want to have the blueprint variant of it, we can easily change it to the blueprint variant, the blue variant, quite easy. So I think this was it in, it's already 16 minutes. So in the next tutorial, we will, spawn, we will make it visible in the beat during the beat. So this was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.